following is a flash flood watch announcement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch in effect from noon today through this evening. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood watch for portions of Maryland, the District of Columbia and Virginia, including the following areas: in Maryland, ARUNDEL, CALVERT, CARROLL, Charles, Frederick, Maryland, Harford, Howard, Montgomery, Northern Baltimore, Prince George's, Southern Baltimore and St. Mary's. The District of Columbia. In Virginia, ALBEMARLE, Arlington/Falls Church/Alexandria, CULPEPER, FAIRFAX, GREENE, King George, LOUDOUN, MADISON, Nelson, Northern FAUQUIER, Orange, Prince William/Manassas Park, Rappahannock, Southern FAUQUIER, Spotsylvania, and Stafford. From noon today through this evening, showers and thunderstorms will develop today and be numerous to widespread this afternoon into early this evening. A few of these thunderstorms will be capable of producing heavy rainfall. Widespread rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches can be expected in the Interstate 95 corridor through this evening. However, a band of heavy rainfall, producing rainfall in excess of 2 inches in just a couple of hours, will be possible. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. The Georgetown, Delaware